Welcome back to our complete TikTok advertising tutorial, and in this particular video I'll be showing you how to switch your TikTok profile from a personal profile to a business account so that you can begin running ads on TikTok. And also to point out, this particular video is part of a complete TikTok advertising tutorial. It has every single thing about advertising on TikTok, from paying of TikTok ads to creating an ad on TikTok. Every single thing is available under this particular playlist, and I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to access all these videos available under this playlist. I have my personal profile opened up right here on my TikTok account, and I'll be showing you how to switch this particular personal profile to a business account. So to get started, I'll just click on this hamburger sign, then I'll click on settings and privacy, then I'll click on account, then I'll click on switch to business account. So this is where I get to switch it from a personal profile to a business account. Then I'll click on next, next, and then they ask me to select a category. What category I'll be selecting is a personal blog, because it's the category that I want this particular account to fall under. And then I'll click on next. So the next thing is to put in my email address. So I'm done adding my email address right now, so I'll click on add. So once I click on add, this particular profile has been switched from a personal profile to a business account. Then I'll click on visit business suite. So once I click on visit business suite, as you can see, these are all the features available for a business account, and I can also create and promote content on TikTok using TikTok ads. This is how you switch a personal profile to a business account to enable you to create and run TikTok ads. And I believe this particular video has been helpful to you. And if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to our channel. And if you're a returning viewer and you've not subscribed yet, I believe this is the time you need to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want us to handle your advertising for you, we've been creating tons and tons of TikTok campaigns and Meta ads and Google ads. You want us to handle that for your business, I'll be leaving a link in the description for you to schedule a 30-minute strategy session with me so that we can discuss your advertising needs. And also, I'll be leaving a card and a video at the end of this particular video to show you how to create your own TikTok ads in Nigeria. Until our next video, peace out.